Hey guys, Justin here from Game Time Edits, giving you guys the skills and industry hints to pump up the quality of your content creation. In this video, we're going to cover Picture-in-Picture. Picture-in-Picture is a way of manipulating your video tracks so you can have several clips playing on screen at the same time. You'll often see these used in reaction videos, news articles, or review videos. Picture-in-Picture is a great way of bringing context to your piece. Just showing a small example of what we're about to talk about helps get the message across to your viewers. Let's jump into Premiere Pro and talk all things Picture-in-Picture. There are several reasons why a content creator would use Picture-in-Picture, or PIP, as video editors have come to call it. It's great for showing a player's reaction to things that happen in-game, a side-by-side comparison, or to perhaps add context to a news-based format. Either way, the key to PIPs is understanding how to stack your video tracks on the timeline. With my GTA 5 vision, I'm going to stack 4 different clips to make a quad screen. Using the scale attribute in the effects tab, I'm going to reduce the size of the clip so that it takes up 1/4 of my preview monitor, while keeping its aspect ratio. The magical scale number here is 50, and by using the position values, I can move the clip into place. Rather than repeating the process, you can right-click the modified clip, hit copy, then right-click and paste attributes on your other clips. As long as the motion video attribute has been ticked, it will copy over the scale and position values of the clip. From here, it's as easy as changing the vertical and horizontal values of the position in order to move your clips into place. Pretty simple stuff. For a split screen, we will be using 2 GTA clips, one on the top of frame and one on the bottom. The best way to do this is to first position one of your clips. Because I don't want to use the top of this image, I'm going to go over to my effects, type crop, then drag and drop the effect onto the clip. From here it's trial and error, but have a play around with the top and bottom crop percentage values until you've cropped the image to just how you like it. Repeat and position the second image to get that split screen look. For that generic picture-in-picture look, like you see in news reports or similar, we can reduce the scale of the game vision and reposition it into an intended dead space in the frame. To make it pop from the background, I'm going to come down to my tools, hold down the pen tool, and select the rectangle tool. I want to roughly draw a rectangle around my vision, making sure that it is set underneath my GTA game vision, but above the clip of me on the timeline. Now that our GTA car has a border, we can further separate it from the background by clicking the rectangle clip on the timeline, heading to the effects controls and adding a slight drop shadow. Don't forget that we can also apply keyframes and transitions here if you want your pips to animate on or off your videos. Looking great! For those of you now using DaVinci Resolve, the exact same thing can be achieved with the Inspector tab in Edit mode, changing the values of zoom and position in the transform menu, as well as cropping. For questions or additional information, drop us a line in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Game Time Edits.